At least they're moving over there again. Because we're not moving here. So what's going on? It says the right 3 lanes are blocked. On the other side of this exit, there's another lane. But this was the only side that was moving. Like they were doing 20, 30 miles an hour moving. So I get over here, and now they're not, of course. Every lane that was moving, I got in that lane and it stopped moving. So I'm cursed. I'm the lane stopper. Still sitting. They're not moving. We aren't either. And this is, we're at 210, which is Fruitville Road on the 75 northbound here in Florida. This started a little before Clark Road, which is exit 205, so over 5 miles of this. It's been over an hour. To go that distance. Merry Christmas. Thank you, snowbirds, for visiting. Tourists, everyone, thank you. Congrats, Jade. Alrighty. So it looks like there's another accident up here on the left. It's probably the third or the fourth one. Anyways, I'll wait till I get up there. I don't know why these 4 are sitting there. I don't see any damage to their vehicles. Somebody. Right after I said I didn't see any damage, the F-150 had been hit in the rear, but the other vehicles, their front ends all looked fine. So I don't know. Maybe they're witnesses. I don't know. Looks like the end is in sight. Almost where that vehicle's sitting there on the side, that yellow one, it opens up to a 4th lane. Yay. Because apparently the right 3 are blocked. So that would include this one. Here we go. This better not just be construction. Oh no, there's an accident. They had to clean it up.